Kalakriti, a tribute to the glorious tradition of Indian craft forms through dance and music arts. A Shefali Lahoti production. For ages, dance has used legends and classics as the source of inspiration. For the first time in history, dance as an art form is being used as a medium to glorify Indian craft forms. Kalakriti, a concept performance, showcases 10 craft forms like painting, puppetry, pottery, etc. from a completely new perspective and in a unique manner. This curtain raiser conveys the importance of art in life and how it makes life a beautiful journey and thereby recognize their contribution to the Indian lifestyle.
कहानी बड़ी पुरानी एक था राजा एक थी रानी.
One of the most colorful art forms of traditional storytelling, puppetry.
रानी बैठे सुख में अपने नए महल की बातें रानी पूछे अपने पिया से.
Our dancers enact the Indian story of the king, his queen and their minister's plot, which preaches the moral of the story.
बड़ी अच्छी है भैया, नसीहत है क्या, बोलो भैया.
Presenting Kathputli Kahe Kahani in different forms like glove puppets, string puppets and shadow puppets. The process of pottery, depicted by the dancers with a virtual wheel and its creations like pots, diyas made from clay. Our kala is juxtaposed with potter's wheel, which symbolizes eternal cycle of life and death.
मैं माणिक, रंग लाल है गुलाब जैसा, कोई फूल हो खिला खिला सा.
नीले नीले अंबर जैसी मैं हूँ रत्न नीलम.
9 gems or Navaratna each have a unique horoscopic characteristic.
बृहस्पति उनका मुझ पे राज.
मैं पन्ना, हरी हरी मैं पन्ना जैसी.
Dancers act as their representatives, describing their qualities and emotions associated with them.
मिट गया अंधकार, मैं देता हूँ आधार. मैं मोती जैसे मनमौजी.
लह सुनिया मुझे लोग बोलते मैं बिल्ली की आंख. इसी आंख से चुपके देखूं कौन करे आघात.
Each gem transforms into an ornament for the lady in a breathtaking dance sequence.
शुभ्र धवल सी आभा लेकर पृथ्वी से निकला.
हम सचमुच बन गए गहना जब तुमने हमको पहना. हम सुंदर या तुम सुंदर, अब तुम ही कहो हसीना. ऐसी मैं हसीना पहनूं जो भी गहना, देखते रहेंगे ये नैना.
The true beauty of these gems is realized only when they are adorned by a beautiful lady.
अनमोल सपना.
शीश महल में किसने छेड़ा राग आज दरबारी।
The beauty of glass is cherished in the way it is adorned in various ways. As fragile as the mirror is the artist's beauty as she narrates her emotional love story. Shefali Lahoti explores her identity continuously through the graceful movements of Kathak style of dance. Illustrating the various ways in which paper can be used in our daily life.
हमसे ही अब होगा ज़माना, कर लो उमंग और मस्ती, हमसे
A unique fashion presentation in specially designed innovative costumes representing different utilities of paper.
अब होगा ज़माना, कर लो उमंग और मस्ती।
Our dancers in Masti spread the social message of eco-friendliness. Presenting the grand finale, where the artists pay a tribute to all craft forms showcased in this 2-hour cultural extravaganza. An odyssey which will continue to search new meanings through repeat performances of Kalakriti.